हेलो गाइस, सो हम लोग अभी पनवेल स्टेशन पे हैं. आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर एबल टू लिसन टू माई वॉइस और नॉट because there is so much of noise. There are announcement happenings. So yeah, we are currently. I am currently at Panvel station. Now from here I have Jan Shatabdi Express and I will be getting down to Madgaon. So yeah, let's go Goa. So now we have got down to Madgaon. I am in rickshaw right now. So I tried to do negotiation my best, but he only agreed to 2,000 rupees and prepaid taxi takes around 2,000 something for taxi. So to Palolem. So that's why I chose to take rickshaw. But now he said in just 200 extra you can go with the taxi. So I have asked him to bring a taxi because it's pretty hot here. The good thing is that it's windy, so it's good. But other than that, it's hot, humid. So let's see. I'm waiting for the car, and it will be 1,200 rupees for the car. So we are right now at Palolem beach. Sunset has already happened. There was so much chaos that was happening, so I couldn't actually enjoy the sunset. The thing was that the room which I had booked, the bed where I had booked, the dormitory, in the AC in that dormitory was not properly working. So I had to eventually go and check for other room. I went for other hostel also. I checked there like if there is a proper room there. The room was proper there, but by the reviews of it, it was not that good. So yeah, now I'm staying here only for the one night. I have asked the lady that at least get it fixed. I will stay here for one night, and if not proper, then maybe I will have to change the room. So tomorrow I will decide. But now I am at the beach, enjoying it. So again, we are going back. Miss, I am going back for the dinner. I mean, I just wanted to explore the place, like which and all restaurants are good, and is there any live music going on or something like that. So yeah, right now I'm going there only, and as you can see, it's completely dark here. Now there is a little bit light, and this is the main road. And if you can see, there is this dog sitting here. I don't know if it is visible or not, but that's our hostel. So from there to here, it's completely like a walk of a pathway, and it's completely isolated as well. And I don't know, in the night the crows are cawing. I don't know why. Means what is exactly happening. I never actually heard crows screaming in the night, so I'm not sure. But yeah, we have come back here. Let's see. We will eat something proper because I just ate some fries and I drank coffee. My head was hurting, so I just Finally ending the day with so much of tiredness because I couldn't find room, and this room literally it sucks. The AC is not proper, and I would literally recommend you that you do not ever book a room in 4 plus or 6 plus dormitory because it's chaotic. And the thing is that this hostels, some hostel like maybe brand ones that hostel or a hostelier maybe. I never been to hostelier by the way, but I have been to hostel, and hostel has like proper rules for their properties. So I don't know, maybe this is the standalone hostel, maybe because of that there is no proper maintenance. There is means the room is so big that they have to have at least two ACs here, but they only are managing in one, and that's why this whole issue is there that that poor AC that poor AC is not able to cool whole place. And I'm just worried about the night because in the night all 8 people will be there, and it's going to be so much of um, it will be like suffocating. I am worried about that, and there are mosquitoes also. I even don't have fan. There is no fan. The fan is there, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But tomorrow I'm thinking to literally change the hostel. I can't leave like this. Even if that hostel is little bit far away from the main beach, I will be okay with that. It's all okay with me. But I'm going tomorrow. So good night, guys. The birthday ends with so much of chaos. I had thought that it is going to be as fun as what I had experienced last time, but I was wrong. Maybe I selected the wrong place, Palolim. Uh, I wanted something peaceful, that's why I chose Palolem. But now when I'm here, it's not that peaceful. It's same as what we have at North Goa. So better to go North Goa itself because they have like proper and good options. So I'm thinking that I should go North Goa only now. But my main issue is that I have train from Madgaon, so I will not be able to go there. Oh, I just remembered that I had cancelled my ticket, and Akshay is going to book Tatkal ticket. So maybe I can go to Anjuna, and from there, yes, I can do that. Why to stay here then? I will go there itself. Yes, I'm going to do that. The final result you will get to know tomorrow only. But yeah, for today, good night. Bye bye. Sleep well.